Hey guys, this is Anil. In this video, we will learn how we can bind image inside gallery using document library. So here you can see I have binded one item from document library. So this is my document library. Suppose I'm adding few more items over here. Okay, so actually I need to upload few files. So that I will upload from here. Right, so the files has been uploaded. Now I will create a new canvas app. Bind images doc lib. Click on create. Now here I will take gallery. Right, so here I'll bind this with SharePoint, with documents. Right, fine. So here I'll do over here like this dot this item dot link to item, right? And here I'll say name, that means name of the image, and here name with extension. So when I run this, you can see we are getting the image with name and with extension of the image, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.